Martha Stewart here. I'm representing Team Schnitzeljäger. I'm coming and presenting to you today a way to save time and save calories washing vegetables. Here's the presentation. Here's the vegetables. We have some limes, some, I believe it's zucchini, some fresh green beans, and some cherries. Let's wash those up so we can get to eating them. We'll only need one tool for this task. Washing vegetables is really very simple. Power washer, quite a bit of power, and the wand. Here goes. We'll shoot the limes first and the zucchini. They're standing up pretty good to the torture. Alright, let's go on to the cherries. Woo! Alright, and the green beans. I'm sure they're probably clean by now. Woohoo! Looks like we're tearing the skin off that zucchini. There you go. Fresh vegetables ready to eat. Yep, took the skin right off that. Let's try one more time getting those vegetables clean because they ran into the grass. Let's get them clean this time so we can eat some cherries. I think they look pretty good now. Perfect. Don't they just look scrumptious? This is another episode from Martha Stewart, Team Schnitzeljäger.